Dr. Mo here at Captain Rehab, 703-333-5022. I'm here with Miss Valerie and Celia. Celia's going to absorb us today and kind of watch us and adjust Mommy here. So Mommy's been coming in here for neck pain, upper back, a little bit of low back, and then numbness in the fingers. So we've been treating her for about, is it 3-4 weeks now? Right, Miss Valerie? Yeah. So 3 to 4 weeks. So we're going to adjust the whole spine today and go from there. Hope you like it. Here we go. So we check right here. So nice. All right. So give me a deep breath, Miss Valerie. All the way up. Beautiful. Oh man. One of my favorite patients. She is very loud spine. You okay?
Yeah.
This side up for me, Missy. Facing this way. So we did muscle stem already, we did heat. We're gonna do this, and then after this we're gonna do a cutting session with her upper back area as well. All right, Missy, you ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good, there it is. Perfect. All right, other side for me, Miss Valerie. And you're a teacher, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So if you're a teacher out there, I know all the stresses you got, get in here. We'll take care of you. Deep breath for me. All good. Perfect. Let's go face up for me. All right. You okay, Nisi?
Yeah.
All right. All right, here we go. Nice. This is her favorite part. Not. All right, Miss. Beautiful. 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 Awesome. So yeah, if you're out there watching, come on in. Doesn't hurt, right? Just call us. Give us a call. 703-333-5022. Hey, we're always gonna be here. Take care. Dr. Mo out.